Hello, my dear friends. I am sending my love to all of you guys from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I hope you all having a good time. Today we have one unboxing video which is QuietComfort Ultra headphones from Bose. Bose is a very high quality brand and I am very enjoying with the brand products. So today we have one very new box, and this is actually second generation of QuietComfort Ultra, and I buy this one from one Utaha shopping mall, and they are very friendly, they are very good. And if you're going any Bose shop, if you ask them for a discount, they are doing like 10% off due to if you register your email on their website. So I did like that, and this is the normal price, and they are cutting also 10% off if you are registering in the email in the website. So let's start opening. Here. Press play, pause, the rest. Yeah, I think that is why this is active noise cancellation. They have QR code here, and here is the product. Very nice, high quality leather feeling box case. And here we have guys, and here are the control. One time, start, stop, next song, previous song. This I don't know. This one, yeah, voice up, voice down from side. Okay, let's see here. I'm very excited actually. I was planning to buy this one for a long time. As you see, it is foldable. Can make like this and like this. This model I like very deep. This inner side, it is deeper and more comfortable. This model is people always like comparing with XM6. They are telling that the sound quality XM6 better, but this product is better as a comfortable device. And active noise cancellation is better than XM6. And I like the color very much. The color, what was it? Driftwood Sand. The color name is Driftwood Sand. Yeah, this is the most popular color option, and you can choose black one also. They are telling that black one is more durable for hiding the scars and hiding the dirt, but for me this one much more better than looking like a stylish. And we have here cables. This for plugging in. here, and for charging. I like the case actually, very good material, very good looking, and also not very big, very portable. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you also, if you like to buy this brand or this brand products or any other good brand products, if you like to buy, I wish you all have it in soon. Love you guys again. Thank you for watching from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I am sending my love again. Take care of yourself and your families. Be happy all time.